Hello, in this video I'll show you how you can delete some page or on page from your Google site website. So let's see how we can do this thing. At first we need to come to the dashboard sites.google.com and then we need to access the site which we want to modify. So this is the site where we want to delete one page. So here we are seeing three options are there: insert, pages, themes. We just need to click pages to access all the pages related stuff. Now suppose we want to delete this page, sample page. We just need to mouse over our cursor here and we'll find a three dots are there. We just need to click here and it will bring a menu options are there. From here we will choose delete option. So at the bottom, from this menu, at the last one is the delete. We just need to click here and then it will be deleted. And here it is showing pages has been deleted. And the problem is once you remove this thing, you cannot undo this page. So that is the catch. You need to be careful. In this way, we can easily remove the page which we don't need it anymore. After removing everything, then we have to click the publish button to save the changes, and it is showing there are no unpublished changes for review. Return to editor. So once it is deleted, basically it will not show anything. And if we go to the public side, right click, not right click, click this arrow button next to the publish button, drop down arrow and choose view publish site, and you will see that that page is not anymore. And in this way we can easily remove one page or some pages from our Google site website. Thank you guys for watching the video.